Hello everyone and welcome to the demonstration of SEARS, which stands for School Emergency Alert and Response System. This system is designed to provide real-time emergency alerts and weather updates for our institution. Let's explore how it works. First, let's try to log in and access control. To access SEARS, an authorized user must first log in. Let's enter the administrator credentials by clicking on the Login button at the upper right corner. Next, we enter our username and password and then click on Login. Upon successful login, the admin gains access to additional features. Now, at this time, we have the modification button that is added on the upper right corner. This is only visible to administrator, which ensures security and control over alert updates. Let's discuss that feature later on in this presentation. Our first screen that we can see here is our dashboard overview. This is the SEARS dashboard, which provides a quick overview of alerts and weather conditions. Here, we have the latest storm warning alert. This section updates dynamically based on our most recent alert from our database. For example, our latest signal right now is signal number 1, and then we have our customized message that will be displayed on our screen. Then, on the lower left corner, we have our latest weather alerts. You'll find the latest alerts fetched on our system, and at the same time, all of the records will be displayed in chronological order from the latest up to the earliest. On the right side, we have here our live weather in Cadiz City, which is powered via Weather API. Let's talk about modifying alerts. Now we click on the modification button. As an admin, we can now modify the alert. So, in order for us to display what we need to show on our screen, so we can edit the values. Let's update the storm signal on signal number 3. Once updated, the system will try to reflect this change immediately. In order for us to update, click on the Update button on the right. Then we check by going back by clicking on Home on the upper right corner. As we can see, our status right here is now changed. It is signal number 3, and our custom message is now displayed on our screen. Now let's talk about the live weather updates from Weather API. As what I have discussed, this is displayed on the lower right corner on our home screen. It shows the current status of our weather based on the exact location where the user is using. But at the same time, the weather updates from Weather API also provide some more details. Let's try to click the Alerts section on the upper right corner. Here, we can see all of the details with respect to the storm alerts. Of course, once again, on the upper corner, we have here the latest messages that we have displayed on our main screen. Additionally, we have the 3-day weather forecast as being predicted by the Weather API, which is being configured on the exact location where the user is right now. At the same time, on the lower right corner, we have red weather reports on other locations as well. This will also display various weather reports which are being configured by the user. In order for the administrator to log out his access, we click on the log out button on the top right corner. The administrator has successfully been logged out, and the modification button has been removed from its feature on the lower right corner. Do not worry, as soon as the administrator tries to log in back, the modification button will return. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy in our demonstration. God bless, keep safe, and have a wonderful day to all.